Hi, I'm here to show you how to make a cloth mask with a pocket that you can put filter in. I would suggest to use cotton, tie woven cotton for both layers, and have two different patterns for outside layer and inside layer. So the people who wear it can easily figure out what is the outside that's dirty and then what's clean that's inside, so they don't mistakenly put the outside part on their mouth or on their face when they're trying to rewear them. Okay, here's what you need. So here's the pattern that I have. Will be in the link. So you need this is a large size, so you will need to cut two for the outer layer, and then you will fold it along the yellow line to cut two pieces for the inner layer. Once you cut it, you would sew along here, and then the inside layer you will fold it and then sew along here so it won't fray, and then for both sides. And then the outside layer, same thing, you will sew here. Once you get that done, you want to find the nose part, and then I usually turn the outside layer out, and the nose part is here. And then I would put the nose part of this, so the pretty side face together, and the sewing side, the side that you have the sew, the ugly side, will be all on the outside. And then you will find the center part and then line them good, like so. And then I generally turned it like this, so it's easier. Straight them, so it's easier for me to sew. Put it down and hold it like so, and then it's easier for me to sew from here and here, and same thing with the bottom part. So here is one that it's already finished sewing the bottom part. So what you would do is to turn the inside out. Once you turn them out, you would make sure they're all in the right place. Pull them out like so. And you could iron this part. I guess that's a proper way. I generally don't take my time, so I just run my finger through here and make sure they're nice and flush like that. And then I'll sew a casing. But here's where you need to pay attention. I think this is what I do later on. I think it'll be nicer. This is a shorter part, it's nose part, and this longer part, it's the chin part. So chin part, you will sew all the way from the beginning of the inside layer. You will sew it all the way around a straight line. But then for the nose part, you will have like a 1 inch in, and starting from here, and then sew a casing all the way around, and then have an inch left. Okay, so here is the finished product, and you can tell here's the chin part because it's so, well, sorry, here's the other one, so you can tell here is the nose part. At the beginning of the inside is here, but we start sewing from here, and you sew all the way around. And then the chin part, the beginning is here, and we sew from here all the way around a casing. Once you're done that, you would fold, you can iron it too. And then I just generally do this, and then And then I fold it in like so. And then I would sew it all the way across here. Okay, you'll do on both sides. So here is the finished product I was gonna show you earlier, or I showed you earlier. So it will be like this. So now what you will do is I use a wire that is about 10 inches long, and then I fold it in half and then make a little loop here so it don't snag. And so this piece will be about 5 inches long. And then the reason why I have a little bit space here, so it's easier for them to tell that's the nose, and you'll slide them in through here, the wire. Okay, like that, and then you can fold it. So then there will be a nice tie. When they wear it, they should push this part down around their nose, so it'll be airtight. And then when they want to wash it, they can also slide them out and take it out. So we'll leave it in for now. And then my friend very generously sent me some elastic, but they're very thin, so I double them up, and you put them through a needle, and then you put it through here, and then got your piece out, and then I'll cut them off when we're done. But then I tie them up, and then there's one side of your mask. So what I would usually do is have a filter. Let me also show you how to do the filter. So this one I ordered from Filti, and the filter is rewashable too, and it's 6 by 8, and one side is fuzzy and the other side smooth. The smooth side face it's close to your face, so it'll face inside with the smooth side. And what I usually do is I fold them on the corners like that. Let's see if I can do it with the camera. Okay, and then I do this and do this, and then fold halfway here, and then I would like this. And then I'll put it in the center, like so, and then fold it, hold it halfway, and then I'll straight out the filter inside. And then also open up the top, open up the bottom, and straight out the sides. And then there you go. You've got a filter in the mask. Well, I might not do the best job with this one since I have a camera in the way, sort of. So when you're done wearing them, you take them off by the ear loop, and then generally I would turn them inside out, and then you can remove the filter and then remove the wire, and then it goes in for the wash. Okay. The other thing is I always tell the people who take the mask, I told them to go home and wash them in the washer and dryer, so it heats up and then will shrink those those woven holes in between, and then we'll make it tight and better filter. So there you go, your cloth mask with a filter, with a pocket for the filter. Thank you. Bye.